So looking at the same three different types of representations, or same multiple representations, we're using a table and we're using a graph to represent now a function. Okay, and that's a very different notation here. We're using f of x instead of t of n. So now we have the function for x minus 9. So how are they different? Well, a function includes any input, right? We can use a decimal input, we can use a fractional input. So a function can have any input, right? Our input is all real numbers, whereas our sequence can only have integer inputs. So no decimals, no fractions. That is the biggest difference. And I can see that because in the table, I've got inputs that are not integers. On the graph, I see that I've connected it, which means instead of having just the values for x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, 3, and so on, okay, if I just had those points plotted, that would represent a sequence. But as soon as we connect it, it becomes a function. So we call that being discrete versus continuous. Discrete is not connected, and that is for our sequences. Continuous is connected, and those are going to be for our functions.